a caregiver at SelectHealth. Today, I'm going to walk you through a video tutorial on how to navigate your SelectHealth online experience. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be more comfortable with how to use MyHealth, your online, secure tool for personal health and benefit information. Let's get started. Welcome to SelectHealth Online Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your MyHealth account. Feel free to pause or rewind at any time if you have any questions. So the first step is opening your internet browser. You can use Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox, or Safari. Any of them will work. But once you get in the top address box, you want to type in selecthealth.org. That's going to take you to our home page. And on the top right of that page, you'll see a little MyHealth login. And on the bottom of that box, there's a blue button that says Sign Up for MyHealth. Go ahead and click that. That'll open in a new window and it takes you to the register page. This is where you're going to put in all your information for the first time you set up your account. So the first thing you need to do is put in your ID type. So in that box, you can click it and you'll get a drop down that gives you several different options. SelectHealth subscriber number, patient number, Medicaid ID number, or insurance ID number. Pick whichever one applies to you, but you're most likely going to use your SelectHealth subscriber number. And that can be found on your physical ID card. So the next step is putting in your ID number. Once that's done, you're going to validate your account information. So that includes putting in your first and last name, your birthday, and then your email address. When you're putting in your name, make sure you use proper capitalization. And then when you're putting in your birthday, go ahead and enter the dashes between the month, day, and year you were born. And then your email address. All right, next we're going to set up your username. So for your username, you need to make sure that it's between 8 and 20 characters long, that you start it with a letter, that you only use letters and numbers, and you put no spaces in between them. And then next is your password. So for your password, you need to make sure it's between 12 or more characters. There's no spaces in between. You have to have at least one number between 0 and 9, one uppercase and one lowercase letter, and then one special character. And a special character is anything like an exclamation point or a $sign, any of those will work. And I know that sounds like a lot of rules, but on your screen there's a little blue box that tells you everything you need to know. So in the first password box, go ahead and type it in. And then right below it, there's a confirm password box. So you need to type it in exactly like you did the first time. If the blue box is highlighted, that means that your password is good, it matches, and it fits all the rules. If you get a red highlight around your box, it means that either your passwords don't match or that you need to fix it so that it fits all of the requirements. So the next step is putting in a security question. And the purpose of a security question is if you ever get locked out of your account, you'll know the answer and we can get you access again. So under that, you can click the drop down and it'll give you a bunch of different questions that are already in the system for you to choose from. And then below that, type in the answer just like you'll remember it in the future. And the very last thing is reading the terms of use. So on that box, on the upper left, you can toggle between English and Spanish, whichever one you prefer. Just make sure you read the whole thing. And once you're done with that, go ahead and click the blue button on the bottom of the screen that says I agree with the terms and conditions. And that's it, you created your MyHealth account. So if you have any questions or you need help registering, go ahead and give us a call and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Thanks again for watching. Remember, the SelectHealth video tutorial library is always available and here to help. Feel free to click the link below and bookmark it on your browser, and then remember to subscribe to the SelectHealth YouTube channel to stay up to date on all the latest news.